Hi there, this is Yavar and you are watching Why This Phone. Today I'll be unboxing Samsung Galaxy A7, first triple camera phone by Samsung. We will be seeing what is the content of the box, how the phone looks like and some sample camera shots. So let's get on with unboxing. The box has a triple camera branding and a triple camera logo on the top. So Samsung here is highlighting the triple camera feature of this device. The side of the box contains retail information like pricing. The back contains actually a lot of information. The variant I have is a 4GB 64GB variant. They have highlighted the key features of the device like the triple camera with Intelli feature, the infinity display, and the fingerprint reader is actually on the side of the phone. Let's talk about other aspects of this phone. So we get a 6-inch Super AMOLED screen, 1080 into 2220 pixel with 411 ppi density. The back camera consists of 24 megapixel primary shooter, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. The front camera on the phone is a 24 megapixel camera with f2.0 aperture. The performance of the device, if we consider, then it contains Exynos 7885 octa-core processor. It comes in two variants, 4GB and 6GB, and runs Android 8.0.0 out of the box. The device has a unibody glass design and is available in 4 color options: black, gold, pink and blue. The battery of this phone is a 3300 mAh battery. So let's open this box. The box is finally open, so let's pull the device out. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, here the device, and I would say the first impression, the device looks great. But before I unwrap it, let me just put it aside for a moment and let's dig further into the box. And what do we have here? It looks like a quick guide. Yes, it is. So, and what else we have? We have here a micro USB charger, not a USB Type C charger, and a headphone jack. At least they have given headphone jack. That's good. And the charger here is not a quick charger. It is a 5 volt 1.55 ampere charger. I wish Samsung gave a quick charger at this budget price, but enough of complaining. Let me just get my hands on with the device and let me just quickly so the device I have is a copper gold variant, and I have to tell you that it looks extremely gorgeous. A unibody glass design, though it's a fingerprint magnet, I can see my fingers on it as I'm touching it, but it looks gorgeous. The triple camera with a dark brownish background, so that looks really nice actually. And we have a flash at the bottom and the Samsung branding here. So the overall look is really nice, and the device kind of feel lighter compared to its size. So I was expecting it to be a bit heavier, but it feels really light in hand. The front has a flash as well, so that's good to have. So I'll quickly set up this phone and then we'll dig into the software side of it. The device setup is complete now. I have also registered my fingerprint to the scanner. As the fingerprint scanner is located on the side, it has a narrow scanning area, and as a result I found it a bit harder to register my finger. Once the finger is registered, the fingerprint scanner is working fine, though it is certainly not the fastest fingerprint scanner out there. The phone is running on Experience UI. Let's check the version. So it is running Android 8.0.0. The Experience UI version here is 9. The security patch on the device is of September 2018. Let us check the camera of the device. So let me open the camera app. The camera app was quick to load, and let's check. Let's take a snap. So the shutter speed is fast as well, and the picture that I have just captured looks good. The colors looks good as well. So I'll cover the camera of this phone in the full review. So while we are here, I want to show you the scanner on this phone, the fingerprint scanner. So the fingerprint scanner, as it is located on the side, you can see here, it has a very narrow scanning area, and that's why I found it a bit harder to use. So that's pretty much it, guys. Stay tuned for the full review.